Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use format in Excel. We'll start by exploring the fundamental formatting tools available. You'll learn to apply bold, italics, and underlines to text, making key information stand out. We'll also cover changing font styles, sizes, and colors to improve readability. Finally, we'll look at alignment options, helping you position text perfectly within your cells for a polished look. Next, let's dive into number formatting, a crucial aspect of data presentation. You'll discover how to apply formats such as currency, percentage, and date to your numerical data. We'll also explore creating custom number formats for unique display requirements. Furthermore, you'll learn to control decimal places, allowing you to show exact values or round numbers to your desired precision, ensuring clarity in your spreadsheets. Now, let's unlock the power of conditional formatting. This feature allows you to automatically highlight important data based on rules you set. You can apply data bars, color scales, and icon sets to visually represent trends and patterns. We'll also cover creating custom rules, giving you precise control over how your data is presented. This helps you quickly identify key information at a glance. Finally, we'll look at cell styles and themes for efficient and professional formatting. You can apply predefined cell styles to ensure a consistent and polished appearance across your workbook. We'll also explore using table styles to quickly format entire data ranges with just a few clicks. Lastly, discover how workbook themes can instantly change the overall look and feel of your spreadsheet, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.